Step inside a charming American farmhouse-style tiny home where rustic charm meets clever design, and you will quickly notice that things are not always what they seem. Behind weathered wood panels and vintage finish lie a world of hidden storage, smart, subtle, and surprisingly spacious. In a home where every square inch matters, the magic is in the details, like a reclaimed wood wall that opens to reveal a pantry cabinet seamlessly blending into the shiplap, or a banquette bench beneath the kitchen window, cozy with gingham cushion that lifts to store seasonal kitchenware or linens. Hidden cabinets are everywhere, often disguised as part of the decor. A mirror near the front door swings open to uncover a shallow cabinet for keys, flashlight, and mail. What looks like a thick baseboard under the kitchen cabinet is actually a two-kick drawer, perfect for baking trays, cutting board, or even sauce. In the living area, a ladder leads to the sleeping loft, but beneath each step, pull-out drawers for books, tools, or even pet supplies. The rustic sliding barn door leading to the bathroom is hollowed out with a narrow built-in shelf on the backside, storing toiletries without taking up floor space. Even in the kitchen island tells a secret. One inch lift to reveal a hidden compartment for cleaning supplies, while a fold-out tabletop adds extra prep space when needed, then tucked away invisibly. What makes these hidden cabinets so special is not just their function, it's how naturally they fit the farmhouse aesthetic. With distressed finish, egg iron pulls, and soft neutral tones, each cabinet complements the home's cozy charm while working double time behind the scene. In this tiny farmhouse, open space does not mean sacrificing style, instead, it becomes a celebration of craftsmanship and creativity where every drawer, panels, and wall might hold a little surprise.